Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Monday, which means it's our compass, and we are in the middle of an exciting month where we are presenting some wonderful tips that are going to help you with your writing. I won't take up any of Victoria's time. Take it away, Victoria.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so in the last installment, we talked a little bit about getting unstuck. And I want to continue down that road because a lot of you have made comments about having a little bit of stuckness. I myself have had some stuckness in the book that I'm writing for you, Zettelkasten for fiction writers. So I'm going to share with you a few things that I have used both in my novel and in writing my how-to book that helped me get unstuck, and I think it will probably help you too. I'll just give you a tiny hint. It is in regards to your character's voice. No more spoilers. I'll throw it to Kathleen.
Okay. Well, I don't have any spoilers available because you know from last week, if you watched, that I'm working with the character trait of orderliness. And last time we did an introduction to orderliness. What is the definition of orderliness and what's the struggle look like? So you know that we're going to be continuing with orderliness. And it's time to take a look at the insides of orderliness. What leads to victory? What leads to loss? And what does the character have going on in the way of dialogue in his mind as he's making the choice of victory or loss? And we'll talk a little bit about some story elements, but not too much because we'll save most of that for our writing week. So come on back tomorrow for our math. Anything to add, Victoria?
Nope, as usual, I think we're going to dovetail beautifully, but you'll have to come back tomorrow to make sure.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.